Question 1. The electric flux through a closed surface enclosing a point charge q is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 2. The C unit of electric dipole moment is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is ACM. Question 3. 2-point charges plus Q and Q are separated by a distance 2a. The electric potential at the midpoint is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A0. Question 4. The dimensional formulae of permittivity of free space epsilon is. A. M superscript 1 L superscript 3 Ta superscript 2. B. ML superscript 3 Ta superscript 2. C. M superscript 1 L superscript 2 Ta superscript 2. D. ML superscript 2 T superscript 2A superscript 1. The correct answer is A. M superscript 1 L superscript 3 Ta superscript 2. Question 5. A charged particle enters a uniform electric field perpendicular to the field direction. Its trajectory is A. Straight line, B. Circular, C. Parabolic, D. Hyperbolic. The correct answer is C. Parabolic. Question 6. The work done in moving a charge along an equipotential surface is A. Maximum, B. Minimum, C. Zero, D. Infinite. The correct answer is C. Zero. Question 7. The equivalent capacitance of two capacitors C and C connected in series is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 8. Drift velocity of electrons in a conductor is directly proportional to A. Electric field, B. Resistance, C. Temperature, D. Length of conductor. The correct answer is A. Electric field. Question 9. The internal resistance of a cell depends on A. Current drawn, B. External resistance, C. Distance between electrodes, D. EMF of the cell. The correct answer is C. Distance between electrodes. Question 10. Kirchhoff's junction rule is based on the conservation of A. Energy, B. Charge, C. Momentum, D. Mass. The correct answer is B. Charge. Question 11. The magnetic field at the center of a circular current-carrying loop is proportional to A. Radius of loop, B. Square of current, C. Current, D. Inverse of radius. The correct answer is C. Current. Question 12. The force on a current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is maximum when the angle between current and field is A. 0 degrees, B. 30 degrees. C. 60 degrees. D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is D. 90 degrees. Question 13. The C unit of magnetic flux is A. Tesla, B. Weber, C. Ampere, D. Henry. The correct answer is B. Weber. Question 14. A charged particle moves in a uniform magnetic field with velocity perpendicular to the field. The kinetic energy of the particle A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Remains constant, D. Becomes zero. The correct answer is C. Remains constant. Question 15. The radius of the circular path of a charged particle in a magnetic field is proportional to A. Charge, B. Magnetic field, C. Velocity, D. Inverse of mass. The correct answer is C. Velocity. Question 16. Lenz's law is a consequence of the law of conservation of A. Charge, B. Energy, C. Momentum, D. Angular momentum. The correct answer is B. Energy. Question 17. The self-inductance of a long solenoid depends on A. Current through it, B. Voltage applied, C. Number of turns, D. Resistance of wire. The correct answer is C. Number of turns. Question 18. In an AC circuit containing only a capacitor, the current A. Leads voltage by 90 degrees, B. Lags voltage by 90 degrees, C. Is in phase with voltage, D. Is zero. The correct answer is A. Leads voltage by 90 degrees. Question 19. The power factor of an ideal inductor is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A. 0. Question 20. Resonance in an RLC series circuit occurs when. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 21. Electromagnetic waves are A. Longitudinal waves, B. Transverse waves, C. Mechanical waves, D. Stationary waves. The correct answer is B. Transverse waves. Question 22. The electromagnetic waves used for satellite communication are A. Infrared, B. Microwaves, C. Ultraviolet, D. X-rays. The correct answer is B. Microwaves. Question 23. The phenomenon responsible for the bending of light around obstacles is A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Diffraction, D. Interference. The correct answer is C. Diffraction. Question 24. In Young's double-slit experiment, the fringe width is proportional to A. Distance between slits, B. Wavelength of light, C. Inverse of screen distance, D. Inverse of wavelength. The correct answer is B. Wavelength of light. Question 25. The condition for total internal reflection is that the angle of incidence must be A. Less than critical angle, B. Equal to critical angle, C. Greater than critical angle, D. 0. The correct answer is C. Greater than critical angle. Question 26. The power of a convex lens of focal length 50 cm is A. Plus 2D, B. Plus 0.5D, C. Plus 20D, D to D. The correct answer is A. Plus 2D. Question 27. The angular magnification of a simple microscope is maximum when the image is formed at A. Infinity, B. Least distance of distinct vision, C. Focal point, D. Twice the focal length. The correct answer is B. Least distance of distinct vision. Question 28. Photoelectric effect supports the A. Wave nature of light, B. Particle nature of light, C. Polarization of light, D. Diffraction of light. The correct answer is B. Particle nature of light. Question 29. The threshold frequency in photoelectric effect depends on A. Intensity of light, B. Nature of metal, C. Distance of source, D. Applied potential. The correct answer is B. Nature of metal. Question 30. The de Broglie wavelength of a particle is inversely proportional to its A. Energy, B. Velocity, C. Momentum, D. Mass density. The correct answer is C. Momentum. Question 31. According to Bohr's model, the angular momentum of an electron in an atom is A. Quantized, B. Zero, C. Infinite, D. Random. The correct answer is A. Quantized. Question 32. The spectral lines of hydrogen are explained by A. Rutherford model, B. Bohr model, C. Thomson model, D. Quantum field theory. The correct answer is B. Bohr model. Question 33. The binding energy per nucleon is maximum for nuclei with mass number around A. 4, B. 20, C. 56, D. 238. The correct answer is C. 56. Question 34. Nuclear fission is the process in which A. Light nuclei combine, B. Heavy nucleus splits, C. Electrons are emitted, D. Neutrons decay. The correct answer is B. Heavy nuclear splits. Question 35. The unit of radioactivity is A. Gray, B. Sievert, C. Becquerel, D. Curie. The correct answer is C. Becquerel. Question 36. In a PN junction diode under forward bias, the width of the depletion region A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Remains same, D. Becomes infinite. The correct answer is B. Decreases. Question 37. The conductivity of a semiconductor increases with A. Decrease in temperature, B. Increase in temperature, C. Decrease in doping, D. Increase in band gap. The correct answer is B. Increase in temperature. Question 38. The logic gate whose output is high only when both inputs are high is A. OR, B. AND, C. NAND, D. XOR. The correct answer is B. AND. Question 39. The energy band gap of an insulator is of the order of A. 0.1 eV, B. 1 eV, C. 3 eV, D. 10 eV. The correct answer is D. 10 eV. Question 40. The main advantage of optical fiber communication is A. Low attenuation, B. High weight, C. Low bandwidth, D. High power loss. The correct answer is A. Low attenuation. Question 41. The principle used in the working of a transformer is A. Self-induction, B. Mutual induction, C. Electrostatics, D. Thermoelectric effect. The correct answer is B. Mutual induction. Question 42. In a step-up transformer, the number of turns in the secondary coil is A. Less than primary, B. Equal to primary, C. Greater than primary, D. 0. The correct answer is C. Greater than primary. Question 43. The phase difference between current and voltage in a purely resistive AC circuit is. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is A. 0. Question 44. The magnetic susceptibility of a diamagnetic substance is A. Positive and small, B. Negative and small, C. Large and positive, D. 0. The correct answer is B. Negative and small. Question 45. The retentivity of a magnetic material refers to A. Ease of magnetization, B. Residual magnetism, C. Energy loss, D. Permeability. The correct answer is B. Residual magnetism. Question 46. The critical angle for a medium of refractive index 2 is A. 30 degrees, B. 45 degrees. C. 60 degrees. D. 90 degrees. The correct answer is B. 45 degrees. Question 47. The resolving power of a telescope increases with A. Decrease in aperture. B. Increase in wavelength. C. Increase in aperture. D. Decrease in focal length. The correct answer is C. Increase in aperture. Question 48. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends on A. Intensity of light. B. Frequency of light. C. Distance of source. D. Area of emitter. The correct answer is B. Frequency of light. Question 49. The half-life of a radioactive substance is independent of A. Nature of substance. B. Amount of substance. C. Decay constant. D. Nuclear forces. The correct answer is B. Amount of substance. Question 50. In nuclear fusion, energy is released because A. Mass increases. B. Binding energy per nucleon decreases. C. Binding energy per nucleon increases. D. Protons decay. The correct answer is C. Binding energy per nucleon increases. Question 51. The Hall voltage developed across a conductor depends on A. Type of charge carriers. B. Length of conductor. C. Applied electric field only. D. Resistance only. The correct answer is A. Type of charge carriers. Question 52. The ratio of electric field amplitudes of two electromagnetic waves carrying equal intensities is A. 1:1. B. 2:1. C. 1:2. D. Depends on frequency. The correct answer is A. 1:1. Question 53. In an RLC series circuit at resonance, the impedance is equal to A. RB XL. C. XC. D. XL XC. The correct answer is A. R. Question 54. The energy stored per unit volume in a magnetic field of induction B is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 55. The stopping potential in photoelectric effect is proportional to A. Frequency of incident light. B. Intensity of incident light. C. Square of wavelength. D. Work function only. The correct answer is A. Frequency of incident light.